interface. That is on Saturday. That's on Saturday. Let's see. Yeah, actually, this is a document in which we have started with our interfaces topic on last Saturday. And we discussed about many things related to interface, and basically, these are all the things what I told. What the thing last point I told is one class if you write. For example, you're writing a class, right? If you write a class, what class can implement multiple interfaces also? I told this is the way how we can achieve multiple inheritance. This is the way how we are going to achieve multiple inheritance in Java. Am I clear? If at all you want to, what we can say, if at all you want to achieve multiple inheritance, then this is the way how you can able to achieve the multiple inheritance in what? Java. By implementing what? Multiple interfaces. One class can implement what? Multiple interfaces also. Just use comma for separating the one interface with the other interface. This is what I told in the last class. And what in case if, for example, both the interfaces have the same method called M1 and M1 only, in case, for example, then you have to override the M1 method just for once only, right? You have to override that M1 method just for once only. This is also what in the last class I have explained. And if at all you want to extend a class and you want to implement an interface, I told first extends keyword should come. Extends keyword should come first. Implements keyword should come next. If suppose you want to write extends and implements both in the same line, nothing but if you want to create a class, you want to extend another class and also you want to implement interface. So then first you have to write extends keyword, right? Followed by implements keyword. This is what you people need to know, right? This also we discussed. Today, actually, about interfaces, we discussed about many things in the last session, right? I have written all the points. Interface does not have constructor. We can't create any object. Correct. And many things that I told. So the one more thing that I would like to tell you is that suppose if you create an interface, guys, one interface can extend multiple interfaces also. Generally, if you take a class, do you know that one class can extend what? Suppose if you take a class, guys, class can extend what? Only one base class. You can't write extends two classes or more than one class. That is going to become like multiple inheritance again. But at a classes level, what? Multiple inheritance is what? Not supported. Am I right? So guys, what can you do? You can able to, yes, you can able to extend, you can extend multiple interfaces into another interface. Nothing but you can create an interface and you can extend multiple interfaces. That is possible at interfaces level, but not possible at classes level. Okay, let me write this point also I want to include in the yesterday's, that is 20th document only. Just observe it. What I'm saying is, it's a simple point, a very simple point. You please try to understand this. Okay. A class can extend only one class. A class can extend only one class, but an interface can extend multiple interfaces. Okay, an interface can extend multiple interfaces, guys. Suppose if you're creating an interface, that interface can extend multiple interfaces also. Okay, just try to understand. Now, for example, I'm writing, just for example only, some names I'm using. These names and all you are going to understand in Spring Boot or whatever, but just for example, I'm telling you. If I write class C, class C extends class A, comma, class B. Can we able to write this? Can we able to write a class like this?
Yes, we can.
Okay.
No,
If it is yes now, no, we can't write. Okay, we can't write. No, because I'm writing class extends how many classes? Two classes. Class to class is the extends keyword, na? Class to class is extends keyword. Class to interface is implements keyword, guys. Class to class is what? Extends keyword. Class to interface is what? Implements keyword. Now I'm writing here what? Extends keyword. This is class. This is another class. This is another class. Tell me in this case, I'm creating a child class by extending how many parent classes?
Two
Two
parent.
parent classes. Correct, guys. I'm extending child class by, okay. I'm creating a child class by extending two parent classes. Is it possible?
No, sir.
No, not possible. This is going to give an error. That will be an error. But for example, I'm writing like this now. Class, sorry, not class, interface. Guys, interface. Let me write interface name is, let's say interface name is, okay, I'll write like this now. Interface name is EMP repository extends, let's say CRUD repository, comma, something I'm writing, just it is for understanding, paging repository. Don't worry about the names and all, just I'm talking about concept. Now, if you look at the second example, guys, the first one is an error, right? The first one is an error. But if you take the second one, if you look at the second one, do you know what is happening here? Do you know what is happening here? I'm extending how many interfaces here? For example, I'm keeping like this now. Extends what, comma, what? One is CRUD repository, comma. Second one is what? Paging repository. Could you tell me how many interfaces I'm extending here?
Two.
Could you tell me how many interfaces I'm extending here? Two. EMP repository is what? A class and interface? Interface. So one interface can extend multiple interfaces. This is valid. That's what I'm trying to say. Am I clear with you? This point, I think you people can understand it. One class can extend only, guys, one class can extend only one base class, right? If you try to extend more than one base class, it is going to become multiple inheritance.
Yeah.
And you know that multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. Am I clear with you?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
At classes level, we cannot do that. But at interfaces level, we can do that.
Yes.
What does it mean now? One interface can extend multiple interfaces. Very good. One interface can extend multiple interfaces. Am I clear with you?
Correct.
Yes. Done. Now back to the today's topic, guys. Here, what we will do is just to know about how do we create an interface and creating multiple the child classes. Okay, something like that to get this kind of example. Let's say I'm just taking an example because we cannot able to write the complete logic based on this example. I mean, whatever example that we are discussing, I'm just going to create one. Let's say I'm just going to create one interface called payment. Guys, I'm creating one interface called payment. Okay, payment is what? An interface now. And it has abstract methods. Like, for example, authorize a payment. That is a one method. And second one is something like refund is one method. Authorize is a method. Refund is a method. Capture is a method. So tell me, what are these three?
Abstract.
These are the three abstract methods. In interface, all the methods are public abstract methods, no?
Yeah.
Yes. Tell me, in my interface now, how many abstract methods I'm creating? Three. We can also create static final variables in interface.
Yes.
I told interface is a collection of public static final variables and public abstract methods.
Public abstract.
Okay, public static final variables and public abstract methods. Am I clear with you?
Yeah.
Cool. So this is my payment interface, but I don't have any variables here. Directly abstract methods only I'm creating. Authorize, refund, capture. What are these three?
Abstract.
Okay, these are all abstract methods. Next, I'm creating one class called as, let's say, there is a class called credit card payment. And other one is a debit card payment. So what are these two?
Classes.
Yeah, credit card payment is one class. It is implementation class now.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, it is an implementation class. Similarly, debit card payment is also one implementation class, which means what? Credit card payment class implements
Payment.
payment interface. Debit card payment class also implements payment
Payment.
interface, which means what? These two classes must override the three
Interface.
abstract methods: authorize,
Yes.
refund,
Refund.
and capture. Did you get my point, guys?
Yeah.
Everybody? Yeah. Sorry. So this is how just we are creating. Please understand, this is how we are just creating an example. Okay, everybody. Did you understood about this now? Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This type of example that we are creating now. Okay, and apart from these three, I'm also creating one separate class called card. There is a class called card class. This card class contains variables like card number, okay, card number and a card type, okay, CVV number. Just a sample code only we are writing. So what it contains now? It contains card number, card type, okay, and CVV. Okay, these are the three. I'm not taking expiry date and all. Okay, if I want, even I can take expiry date also. To make it as a little bit big example, I can take card. A card also contains expiry date. Expiry date in the sense doesn't contain date, but month and year will be there, right? So even we can take that one also. Just I'm creating one card class. When I'm calling the authorize method, refund method, or capture method, all these three methods are going to take the card object as a parameter. What object is a parameter? What object is a parameter? Card object. Means authorize method has parameter as a card object. Refund method also has a card object. And capture method also has a card object. Do you know how I am declaring these methods? Could you tell me how can I declare card authorize method? Could you tell me how to declare? First of all, could you tell me how to create this interface now? Could you tell me how to create interface called payment? Guys, please tell me how to create this interface called payment.
Interface payment.
Okay.
Extend.
Can I use public? I want to write separate Java files, card.java, payment.java, credit card payment.java, debit card payment.java, and main.java. I'm just creating 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 Java files I'm creating. Okay, na? And main, including main 5. So tell me, can I make this interface as public now?
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can. Yes, we can, right? If you want to store the interface in a separate Java file, you can make it as public, right? Public. Could you tell me what's the name? Interface is the
Interface
keyword.
Payment.
Payment. Clear? Tell me. Could you tell me how to declare this authorize method with the card object as a parameter?
Creating the object.
Yes. No. I'm just asking. Could you tell me how to write authorize method in this interface? Declare the method authorize in the interface called payment. That's what I'm asking. Declare a method authorize.
Void.
Okay.
Authorize method.
Yes.
Authorize
Method name is authorize. Return type also required for a method. Before the method, what comes?
Public stat final.
You are totally confusing. Oh my God. I am talking
Not
about method.
Abstract.
Public, static, final variables can
Sorry,
be there
sir.
in interface.
Public abstract.
Public abstract methods will be there in interface.
Interface.
Methods are public abstract. Variables are public, static, final. But I don't want any variables. Leave about the variables. I'm just asking, guys. Please tell me. Please just tell me how to declare this abstract method called authorize in this interface. That's what I'm asking. What's the method name I'm talking about? Authorize.
Abstract
Before the method
authorize.
name, what should come is return type.
Abstract.
Public and abstract is not required. It is optional, right?
Yes.
Void, sir.
No. In
Why?
interface, okay. Let me come in a proper way. Please try to understand me. Don't confuse. Okay. What I'm saying is, in an interface, by default, all the methods are public and abstract, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So there is no need of writing public abstract keywords.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Leave about that. Tell me directly, can you write the method name, or before the method name, return type is also required?
Return type
type.
also.
Without return type, you cannot write a method, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I want to use return type Boolean.
Boolean authorize.
Method name Boolean space method name
Authorize.
authorize method name. Very good. Parameter
Parentheses.
card
Card.
semicolon. Okay. Could you tell me once again? Okay, card also having balance, card number, card type, CVV, and the card also having some balance, right? Okay, we'll take balance variable also in card. Leave it. Next, could you tell me how to create refund method?
Refund also required return time.
Return type.
Okay, tell me.
Same Boolean.
Boolean.
Refund.
Space. Refund.
Refund
Card.
card. Semicolon. Why semicolon?
It is ending the statement, right?
Because it
It
is
is
because it is an abstract method.
Yes.
Abstract method contains only method
Semi-
signature, method header, but does not contain method body. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, these are all abstract methods. Are you writing abstract keyword?
No.
No.
No. Is it mandatory to write abstract keyword there? No.
Not really.
Because by default in interface, the methods are public and
Abstract.
Abstract.
Yes, abstract. So no doubt writing that. And next again, I'm taking Boolean is return type. Capture with a parameter card.
Card.
That's it. This is what I'm trying to say. Are you getting my point now?
Yeah.
So before I write this interface called payment, could you tell me next, before I write this interface called payment in my project, first I'm going to complete one class called what?
Card.
Card. With how many variables?
Three.
Four variables. Four variables. What are the four variables? Card number,
Card
Card
type.
type.
card type,
Balance.
CVV, and
Balance.
balance
Balance.
amount. Balance, simply. And I will define constructor, setters, getters, all these things. Am I clear with you?
Mhm.
First, we'll create one class called what? Card class. Okay. I want to tell example like this case. If you are feeling that this is difficult or unable to get or something like that, I'll take normal variables like class A, class B, M1, M2 like that. But
No, this is
I feel that is not a good way of learning this subject. Please try to learn like this. Okay. Tell me how many Java files I'm going to create in my project today. Suppose I'm creating a project name as interface project or interface program, anything. This is my
All
project
of
name,
them.
interface program. Could you tell me under this we have SRC folder?
Yeah.
Everybody, do you know that we have SRC folder inside?
Yes.
In this project, you can find SRC,
Correct. Source.
correct? SRC will be there.
Yes.
Yes, SRC. Okay. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. What I'm saying is, okay, there will be some SRC folder here, SRC.
Correct. Yes.
Could you tell me under SRC folder, how many Java files I'm going to create now under my package name is com.ashokit. dot OOP.
OOP.
4
Four.
files.
Under this, how many Java files I'm going to create?
Four
Four
of
Java
them.
files. Could you tell me what are the 4 Java files? Once again, I'll start.
One
Interface.
is interface.
Interface program is a
payment.
project name. Interface program is a project name. Inside this, we have SRC folder. SRC. Tell me under SRC folder, we have one package name. What's the package name? com.ashokit.oop. Tell me inside this, how many Java files I want to create today? How many Java files I want to create today? Make it fast, so that we'll start writing the project.
4.
4 Java files. Could you tell me what are the 4? Could you tell me what are the 4?
Payment.
Payment.
Sorry, one is?
Payment
Payment.
interface.
Yes, payment.java. Card.java.
Card. One is card. The other one is
Credit card payment.
card.
Credit card payment.java. Next,
Debit card payment.
debit card payment.java. Next, anything else?
Main method.
Main.java. How many files I'm going to create today?
5.
5. Am I clear? Shall we start writing this program?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, today we are writing this program to complete the interfaces concept. Am I clear with you?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, go ahead. Let's start. So we'll start creating a new Java project. Project name is interface project. Interface program. Interface program, and which contains Java 17. Finish. And in this interface program, guys, we are just going to create one. We are creating one new first package. I'm creating simply only package. What's the package name? com.ashokit.oop. Just only package created. Now inside the package, first I want to start creating one new class called as card. What's the class name? Card. What's the class name here, guys? Card. Okay. See, in all our previous applications, most of the applications, what we did, everything we are adding in single Java file only. For example, you take polymorphism, inheritance, all the programs, we have main class at the bottom. But above the main class, we are creating all other classes, class A, class B, or class employee, full-time employee, part-time employee, all the classes we are adding in single project only, na? Single program only, right? But this time we want to divide into multiple programs. We want to write the multiple programs instead of writing in a single program. This is the better way of writing it. It will give you reusability, right? So I want to create like this now. Could you tell me private? Let's say long card number. Private card type string. Card type is a string, na?
Yes.
Private int CVV. CVV is a 3-digit number. CVV. And say, for example, private double balance. Okay. Now I would like to define all the setter methods here. I want to define only setter, constructor, setter, getter, all these things. I want to define constructor using fields first. I want to define constructor using fields. Generate. Constructor is okay. Then I want to create setter and getters. Setter and getters. How to create setter and getters? Again, go to the source option, generate getters and setters. Select all these things.
Generate.
Right? Select all these things. Okay, select setter and getters. All the setters and getters you want. Okay, generate. All the setters and getter methods are created now. Next. What I can say next? I can do something. I think we will discuss about a method called toString method, right? ToString method in the last class only, I think.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Is everybody have understood the toString method? So I just want to override the toString method also. ToString method I want to override, guys. Go to what? Source. Generate toString. Yeah. Did you understood about everything, guys, so far?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then card is okay. One class is our card. Now I want to start creating new interface. See, this time I'm not creating class now. What I'm creating, there is option called class. There is one more option called what? Interface.
Interface.
So let's click on interface now. You are creating Java interface. You're not creating Java class. You can see this here. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Payment. Yes. Just now I told you what are the methods I want to create. Boolean, authorize, of card. What is card? Could you tell me what does it mean? What is the meaning of this card? What is first card, second card?
First card is a type of card. Second card
Type
is name. Name of card.
First one is a type, right? Data type. Next one is variable name.
Variable.
This is called one parameter.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
One parameter. Yeah, one parameter. Each parameter contains what? What a parameter contains?
A data type and a name.
Data type and
Data type,
Oh,
space,
name.
variable name.
Table name.
But what's the data type here? It is not int, float, not like that. It is a
Card.
card. Card is a class now.
Yes.
Yes.
That's why this card is called reference variable. This card is a
Reference.
reference variable. Reference variable. Guys, so am I clear with you, Adarsha? Am I clear with you, Aksh? Am I clear with you, Dan, JP, Ketan, Bhagya, Lakshmi, everyone? Am I
Yes, sir.
clear with you so far? Whatever just I have explained.
yes, sir.
Cool.
Sir, clear.
Tell me. Guys, one more method, Boolean return type. Okay. What's the method name next? This is authorize. Okay. Next one I told you. Refund. Refund. Card. Parameter. Again, Boolean. Just I'm using Boolean as a return type. Next one is what? Capture. So tell me totally how many abstract methods I want to create?
3.
3. Very good. 3. Everyone, sorry. Try to understand here. Okay, guys. You know, this is my interface. What's the interface name? Payment.
Payment.
I want to create how many implementation classes?
2.
2. First, we'll start with a credit card payment. Okay. Then we'll go with a debit card payment. Interface is to define a contract, right? A contract for the classes. Interfaces are used to define a contract for the classes. Tell me now, the classes has to provide implementation for what and what? Authorize, refund, capture. If suppose if a class is not overriding any method, any one of these 3, if a class is not overriding, suppose credit card payment class is there. For example, if the credit card payment class is not overriding refund method, for example, then I should make that credit card payment class as what class?
Abstract.
Abstract. Then I should make my class as abstract class now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Am I clear with you so far, guys?
Yeah.
Folks, everyone, am I clear with you?
Yeah.
Are you clear? Okay. I'll go ahead. Guys, let's start creating the new Class. Class is credit card payment. This is class now, credit card payment. I have a question to you. Guys, tell me, please understand. Credit card payment is a class which extends or implements a
Implement.
okay, take your own time, but tell me the answer.
It implements.
Implement.
Is it extends or implements?
Implement.
Implement.
Implements what? Implements what?
Implements
Payment.
payment interface.
Yes, implements payment interface. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes. You know, class extends interface or class implements interface?
Class extends.
Class
Oh, class implements interface.
implements.
See, class extends class, no?
Correct. Class extends class. Interface
Class
implements.
extends class. Class implements interface.
Yes.
Okay. So you can click on add button here. See this. In interfaces text box, beside of text box, you are finding what add button there.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
just click on the add button because this is an interfaces only now. Click on which button? Add.
And
Add button. Just a type interface name. What's the interface name? Payment.
payment.
PAY. When I type PA, something like that, it's already showing me. It's going to show me the interface name here.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Just select that interface. Select it. Click on OK. That's it. You can see the interface name is visible in this box, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And beside of it, you can see I, a capital letter I think it's visible to you,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
right? What that I indicates? It is an interface.
Interface.
Interface. Click on finish. Okay. Now see here, there is a class called credit card payment, which implements
Payment.
Okay. So class implements interface. Class extends class. Okay, everyone, am I clear with you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Once again, class implements what?
Interface.
Class implements interface. Class extends
Class.
class. Remember that. Class extends class. Class implements interface. Is this points are so far clear with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Interface.
Interface extends interface. Okay. Similarly, see, class extends class. Similarly, interface extends interface. Next what? Class implements
Interface.
interface. But remember, interface cannot implement a class, correct?
Yes. Sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay, good. Only class implements interface, but interface cannot implement a class. Interface cannot implement a
Yes.
class. Class can implement interface. So keep these 3 points in mind. What are the 3 points? Once again, class extends class. Second point is
Interface
what? Interface extends interface. Third point is what?
Class implements.
Class
interface.
implements interface. Okay.
Interface.
Cool. Let me first take one variable called private double amount. Just we are writing, forgetting instead of writing simple M1, M2, interface, inter1, I1. So these are, while learning the topic, it's okay. But when you're, after once you got some idea on the topic and when you're writing a code, so again, if you start writing class A, class B like that, or I1, I2, I feel that is not a good way. So that's why we are just taking some example to understand it. Okay. So let's create a constructor. As you know that the class name and the constructor name both must be same.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Double amount. And I say this dot amount equal to amount. Okay. Cool. Nice. First one is what? Authorize method. Na? So
Yes,
I
sir.
won't write logic like this. Just see, I just wanted only some logic. We cannot really implement payment gateway or payment related things in a class like this. but just we can simulate that. We can just able to write some code. I'm writing like this now. See, card has a card number, right?
Yes, sir.
If the card number starts with 43, nice. If a card number starts with 43, please understand, guys. Am I clear with you?
Yes, sir.
If a card number starts with 43, and if a card type is Visa, then I want to authorize a payment. So,
Okay.
how to check whether a card number is starting with 43 or not?
Digits.
Okay. Card number starts with 43 or not, I want to check now. Card number is a integer, sorry, long type I took in my card class. Card number is long,
Correct.
correct? How can I get the card number? This is a card class. It has some variables. Take your own time, guys. Don't confuse today. Monday you are confusing. So thing is, how to get the card number? How to get the card number or how to get the card type?
By creating the object.
Card.get card number.
Get the
Yes. Getter, setter methods, you know, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the use of getter method?
Get the value.
To get the value.
Get the value. That is only, I am also asking the same thing only, na? What I am also asking?
How do we get that long number?
How to get the card number? How to get the card type? How can you get the card number or how can you get the card type?
By
Card
the-
dot.
By calling
Set
the-
up
Getter
the
method.
getter.
Just
the
call the getter method.
Yes.
Getter method. Tell me while calling this authorize method, what object will be given as parameter? What object will be provided as a parameter while calling or invoking this method?
Card.
Card.
What object will be passed? Card object only, na?
Yes.
Tell me if, first I'm writing if card dot
Get-
get card number. Okay. But my intention is what? I want to completely verify the code number or only the starting two digits of the code number?
Starting 2 digits.
Starting two digits. My intention is what? If it is starting with 43, for example, if the card number starts with 43 and the card type is Visa, yes, I want to say that it's a valid card. That's it. Okay. So card.get card number. But how can I check only the first two characters or first two digits of the card number? Card number is a long variable. It's not a string variable.
By caret.
Caret starts with, so these are all methods of string.
Yes, sir.
But card number is a long variable. That's what I'm saying. Card number is a long variable. If you call get card number, what you will get, guys? You will get the long value. You will get the long value, long data type value. Get card number returns what? Card number. Card number is a
Long.
Long.
data type.
long data type. So how can you call caret method or any other starts with method, any method on long value?
No.
No. What to do now? Convert this card number into
To
string.
string.
Into strings.
Yeah.
This card number you have to convert into string type.
To
Two
string.
strings.
Okay. I'll tell you. Dot. I'm keeping dot here. Actually, when I keep dot, it should give me some kind of suggestions.
Yeah.
Are you getting my point?
No.
Yes.
Okay, you told me toString, for example. Okay, I'm keeping dot to call the toString method. toString I'm calling.
It is not giving.
No,
It is giving me error.
Okay.
Do you know why? Because you are calling get card number. Get card number is long type. Long is a primitive data type. Long is a primitive data type, na?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
It's a primitive type. So how can you call a method on the primitive variable or primitive data type? You cannot call.
No.
right?
Yes.
Yeah.
In Java, to convert any primitive type to string type, there is a method in string class. Have you remember that method? String class is very, very good, Suja. Suja just
Value.
given correct answer, value of correct answer. Very good. That's why you have to go through the notes and you have to read everything every day. There is a method called value of. Okay. Value of card dot get card number. Do you know what value of method will do?
It will convert to
Convert this
Primitive
long
data
any
type.
type of data, any primitive type to string type. Dot starts with
prefix.
4-3. Now I can compare like this now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Because tell me, this part gives me what? This part gives me what?
Um,
Convert.
credit
This
card
part is
number.
going to give me string, right?
Yes, sir. String.
Actually, card number is a long data type. Long is what? Long is a
Primitive data type.
primitive data type. Long is a primitive data type. Am I clear with you?
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Primitive data convert into string by using value. Then
Able to listen to me now?
We can't able to hear you.
Sorry, now? Can you check now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, better.
Okay. Can you able to hear me now?
Yes.
Yes. Could you tell me what card dot get card number returns me?
We
string.
will get primitive data type, I mean, like, which is
This
the
is
card
long.
number.
This is
Is
long.
long.
But how to
Long.
convert any primitive type like a long type or into type or float type or double type, any type to the string type? How to convert that value to string?
String
How can we
value.
convert that into a string
Value
type of value by calling this method? What's the method name?
Value.
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 This method is a static method. You know, static methods can be called directly with the class name
Yeah.
because we know that static is associated with a class, not with any object, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Very good. If it starts with 4-3 and I'm writing the next condition, the next line better. And card dot get card type dot equals
Visa.
Visa. Then I want to say what return? True. Return true. Else return false.
False.
Okay, am I clear with you? Everybody? First of all, do you agree with me? Do you understood about this logic now?
Yes.
Everyone? Could you tell me somebody like Bhagya or somebody like
Yes.
whoever is attending, right? Yes? Akshar, whoever. Did you understood, guys? Did you understood about what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Cool. This is authorize. Now, first I want to start with capture method, then I will write refund method. Okay, order can be any order. First I wanted capture, then I wanted refund. Okay, now let's start. See, guys, capture means take the money only, na? Capture the money, right? Did you get my point? Capture the money from credit card, right? Did you get my point, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. When should I capture? If it is authorized card only, na?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
Good. Able to understand now? When can I capture or when can I refund the money? If the card is authorized card only, na?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let me start. If, okay, guys. If, I'm writing if. Just a minute. Yeah, see here, if authorize of card. First look at the logic case. I will explain all this logic, please understand. Okay. I know you are a beginner learner. Okay. As of now, just you have started your Java journey. I can agree, but I have given enough information to understand this type of code. That's why I'm explaining like this now. Otherwise, I could take simple like interface I or interface I1, interface I inter1, then write a class A implements inter1 and create object, call the method, then program is over. So, but with that program, already we discussed such kind of things for basics. But now at least we should write some kind of workable code, right? Some code that will improve our skill. So if authorize of card means if the card is authorized,
Equals true.
means what if it is true? I'm calling this authorized method here, right?
Yes.
I'm calling this authorized method here. Could you tell me what authorized method returns me?
True.
True or
Bool.
False.
A Boolean.
false? Okay. Guys, capture method and authorized method, both are in same class only, na?
Yes.
Yes.
If the two methods are in one class, in same class, we can call one method in other method directly.
Correct.
Correct? Correct. Am I clear? Guys, you may have a doubt. How can you call the method without object?
By creating, by,
But see, I think already this point. Suppose class A, guys, A has a method M1. And I have one more method called M2. I have a question. Tell me M1 and M2 both are in same class only, na?
Yes, sir. Same class.
Yes. Can I call M1 method here directly?
yes,
Yes.
Can I call M1 method directly here without any object, without creating object?
yes,
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can. Because where is M1?
Class
Same
A.
class.
Inside.
This M1 method is also there in
Class A.
class A. M2 method is also there in
class A,
class A. Tell me finally both the methods are in
Class A.
class A. When both the methods are in same class, can we call one method in other method directly?
Yeah.
Can we call one method in other method directly when the both methods are in same class?
Yes, we
Can I? Can I do that?
Yes.
Yes, that's what I'm doing. Now, cool guys. Very good. Nice. Cool. Okay. If it is authorized, if the card is authorized, then capture the money from the card. But if I want to capture the money, again logic. Suppose see, currently credit card is having 15,000 rupees balance. But you spent on the card now 17,000. Can I capture the money?
No, we can.
No. Then I'm checking if card dot get balance greater than or equal to
7.
amount. Am I clear with you?
Yes.
Everybody,
Yes.
am I clear with you?
Yes.
Yes. Then I can capture the money na?
Mhm.
Okay, capture the money na? So just
Yes.
I want to say that I want to display one message saying like this now. System.out.println, because only SOPs only we can write. SOP, you spent
Enough.
I want to print that amount. You spent rupees like this or any, you spent this much amount. I also simply RS means rupees. Then I say the remaining balance.
This amount.
The remaining balance. I'll write in the next line. The remaining balance in your card, something like that. Just I want to use plus. Plus means concatenation only anyhow.
Got.
The remaining balance in your card. Then I want display that balance. How to display the remaining balance now?
Amount.
Okay. Okay, I will do one thing. Please understand. First, I will write like this now. Card dot
Get
set balance of card dot get balance minus amount. I'm setting the new balance now.
Yes.
How much balance I'm setting?
Card
Current
balance.
balance
Yes.
minus
Amount.
Spend
amount.
it.
Spend amount.
I think everybody understood this line. Line number 29 is important. Line number 29 is important, guys. Did you understood?
Yeah.
What about the other guys? Please, everybody, please speak out on this. Please speak out on this point. Line number 29.
Yes, sir.
Am I
Yes,
clear
sir.
with you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Lakshmi is okay. Uma is okay. What about the remaining guys?
Yes,
Bhagya
sir.
is okay. Suja is okay. Good. Good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Nice. Nice, Lakshmi. Yeah. Guys. Card dot get balance. Now tell me if card is authorized and balance is also okay. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Then I want to say return true.
Else.
What about else now? Else for inner if now. Inner if.
You don't have enough.
Okay.
Amount.
Else means what, guys? When the control goes to else part like line number 34,
When card is not authorized.
card
and-
is authorized only. This is else
Oh,
for inner if, na?
Yes.
Balance is
Yeah.
not-
So when
Card is already
balance is
authorized,
not
but it doesn't have balance.
yes.
Then
Insufficient balance.
Sys out insufficient balance in your card. Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Return false, na?
Yes.
Capture fail, na? Suppose if card itself is not authorized, then what?
False.
Return
Card is not a
false. Say before returning false, system.out.println and what I want to display here itself. Return what? System.println what I want to say?
Card is
Where
invalid.
card
not
is
authorized.
where card is
No.
invalid. Where card is invalid. Am I clear with you?
yeah.
Very good. Tell me, guys. So far, this example is a somewhat better example that you people have to definitely practice. Okay, on your own. Try to practice on your own.
Sure.
Yeah, sure. So capture is okay. Capture is done. Similarly, there is one more method called what?
Refund.
Refund. Refund. For refund, do I need to check the balance?
No
Yes.
need.
No.
First.
No. First, I have to check whether it's a valid card or not. How to check now?
If
If-
authorized card.
Authorized card.
If card dot balance.
If card is authorized, that's enough, na?
Mhm. We can do refund.
Authorized. Okay. Tell me if card is authorized, can we refund the money? Refund means what?
Just returning
Just
the amount.
This amount you add to the card balance, right?
Yes.
So how can I do that?
Card balance dot plus
Card
amount.
Card dot set balance of
Amount. Get
card dot get balance plus
amount.
amount. SOP.
Your balance.
SOP what to say?
Your balance is
Amount is
Refund
refunded.
got,
Amount is refunded, okay?
Yes.
Amount is refunded to your card.
Return.
and return
True.
true. Okay. Or you can say now your current balance is like that. Also, you can print. That's your wish.
Yeah.
Amount is refunded to your record. Again, one more SOP I can write saying that what
Current balance
the current balance.
plus amount.
Card dot get balance. Okay. Did you understand this now, everyone?
Yeah.
Else means what, guys?
Else means if card is not
Card is
authorized.
invalid card, no? Not authorized, no?
Yes.
Yes. What to say? Your card is invalid.
Invalid
Your card is invalid.
and false.
Your card is invalid, return false. Guys, so far tell me which class I have completed logic? Logic in which class?
Credit card payment.
Credit card payment. I'm requesting you guys is please try to write debit card payment class in this way by your own. Okay, I took starts with 4-3. You take 5-1. Starts with 5-1 is a debit card. Starts with 4-3 is a credit card, like that. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Right. Cool. Write the debit card payment by yourself. I'm not writing the debit card payment class. I'm only writing credit card payment. Okay, na?
Does debit
Okay,
card
sure.
payment have similar features?
Sorry.
Actually, no. I understand. Okay, understand.
Yeah. Just I'm asking you, same thing, right, for debit card payment. It will be a practice for you. Okay. Yeah. Tell me now. I'm not a debit card payment. Next, can I start with main class now?
Yes.
Yes. New class. This time I want main method as well. Check the main checkbox. Then class name is also main. Finish. I have a question to you. Can we create an object for payment interface?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
No, sir.
Really?
No, sir.
Can you show me
No,
how to
sir.
create object for interface?
No, we cannot create.
No, we cannot create object for interface.
In the last class, I told this point already, right? You are not reading the notes, only you're attending the class just only. Then the remaining time, don't know what you're doing. But thing is, guys, I told two things very clearly. For abstract class and for interface, we cannot create object.
Yes.
This point is there in your notes. Please go through that.
Yes, sir.
For abstract class and for abstract classes and interfaces, we cannot create object. I've given a statement like abstract class and interfaces cannot be instantiated.
Yes.
The statement is there in the notes. You just please verify the yesterday's document. I mean, Saturday's document. Okay, guys. We have to prepare, guys. Otherwise, no, it's very difficult to either to crack an interview or even to survive in an IT company. Okay. So please go through. Yeah. Payment is an interface, guys. We cannot create object. You don't have a constructor, first of all. Interface does not have a constructor. How can you create an object? Right? We can't create. I told, but we can create a reference variable. That's okay. But we cannot create object. Okay. I have a question. Can I create a card class object? Can I create card object card? Say card equal to new card. Can I do that?
Yes.
Yes. Card is a class, no? Yeah. Where is card? Yeah. This is card. Tell me how many parameters I need to pass to the constructor.
4.
4. Card number, card type, CVV,
Balance.
and balance. Okay. Let's say card number 43. Okay. 18 17 61 009. Something like that. Okay. What is this? 43 181 761 009 card number. Card type is Visa. So here, when I'm writing the logic here, see guys, card type equals Visa means I written in uppercase only, na?
Yes.
What if I use card type Visa in lowercase here? Then the card is going to become invalid card. Okay.
Yes.
So if you want to compare with the case insensitive comparison, could you tell me what's the method I have to call here?
Equal ignorance.
Yes,
Ignorance.
equals
Ignorant.
ignore
Yes.
case. Now tell me, can I pass visa in lowercase or uppercase here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, I'm typing in uppercase only, but still, very good. Card type is okay. CVV number, let's say 833 is the CVV. Balance, currently the card has 17,000 balance. Okay. So do you know why I'm getting error at line number 7?
Card number.
Card number.
Card number we have converted
Convert
to
into
string.
string.
So we have to put it in
Code.
quotes.
Hey, you are misunderstanding me. Tell me this parameter is a long type only. Now, how can I pass string?
Long letter
In my
and
logic, I converted by using a method called value of in the authorized method.
Yeah, it will applicable only here.
Okay, no, here, because I want to convert the card number to string type in this logic, then only I converted that card number. I'm taking the card number and that number I'm converting to string type. But in my card class, it is long type only, na?
Yes.
Okay. I have to put L for long.
Oh, yeah.
Done. Okay. That's what Java, guys. You have to learn very properly. Yeah. Cool. No issues. Card is okay. Tell me. I want to create now payment. Let's say payment equal to new credit card payment of amount I need to pass. Let's say I want to through credit card payment, I want to complete the payment of 4,999 rupees. Can I pay? Can I pay 499 rupees with credit card? Because available balance is 17,000, right? Can I do that?
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can. Simply, just I'm writing something with this case. Payment.capture. That's it. I am not writing anything. What I say is that I don't want to. Actually, it's going to be Boolean value, but I don't want to consider the Boolean value. Means I don't want to, store that Boolean value into any variable, and I don't want anything with that. Okay, I know that it's going to return me Boolean value, right? Whenever I call this capture method returns which value? Boolean value,
Boolean.
either true or
False.
false. But already I have written SOP statements inside my if else conditions only, na? That's why I'm not caring about that value which is coming to me. Just capture only. I don't want to say refund, only capture. If you want to test refund, you can also do refund, but that's okay. Guys, what the output I got? You spent 4,999. The remaining balance in your card is how much? 12,001 rupee. Because I have 17,000 is actually, but out of this, almost 5,000 I have spent. So 12,000 is remaining. Am I clear with you?
Yes.
Am I clear with you? Did you guys got this? This is capture. Similarly, can I call refund method?
Yes.
Just
we
check
can.
like this, refund. See the output of refund. Oh, you got the message. Amount is refunded to your card. What's the current balance?
21,000.
21,990. Actually, what's the initial balance I have in my card?
17,000.
17 plus how much amount is refunded?
5,000. 4,000.
4,000, almost 5,000. So we got exact output now.
Yes.
Yes. Guys, this example I'm just going to copy paste for you. And this example I'm going to share with you by keeping in Word document. Just a minute. I'm sharing it today. And this is interface example. And this is first one is card.java. So let me first copy that card.java. Please go through this and try to complete the debit card payment as well. And just test it, test the program, what is there in that. Test the program. Next one is interface payment.java. And from tomorrow, we will start with the concept of exception handling. Tomorrow, I'll start with exception handling, guys. Next one is credit card payment.java. Lastly, main.java. Guys, I'm done with the example. Okay, I'll share this document with you. First, let me. Okay, so the code, I'm just going to share it with you guys. This document, I'm going to share it with you. And then we are going to have the class. And as I said, now at 9 o'clock, the new batch will start. As I said already, today is the first demo session for another new Java full stack development class. And I'm going to start that batch now at 9. And just if anybody is there, please try to inform them of your friends or somebody, relatives, friends, okay, or senior, junior, whoever, but whoever wants to, learn this. Just ask them to attend my class, okay? So this is. Guys, did you get some knowledge so far in my class, in this session, on this core Java programming as of now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
a lot.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. So if you
A
feel
lot
that,
of good
okay,
knowledge.
sorry.
It's very good knowledge.
Oh, thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah. So guys, what I'm saying is that if you feel that, okay, that this session is better, and if you refer to your friends or somebody that they will also learn something and they will also, will definitely survive. They will also going to survive and they can crack an interview. If you feel like that, please inform about this next batch to your friends. Otherwise, no. So that's the session for today, guys. And I've just now uploaded. Please go through this and complete the remaining code. And we are now going to start tomorrow. We are going to start with the concept called the exception handling. So far, whatever discussed, OOPS concepts. Till abstract class interfaces, everything is OOPS. Abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, all these are done. Means OOPS principles we have implemented. And now based on these OOPS principles, next we are going to start with exception handling tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow's session will be an exception handling. We'll start with what is compile time error, runtime error, and what is logical error, and what is an exception, what is exception stack trace, what is the exception class. So these things will start from tomorrow. Okay, that's the session for today. Thank you.
Sir,
Offline and online both are there. This next batch at 9 o'clock now is having two, offline session and offline mode, online mode, both are there. If somebody wants to attend online, just ask them to visit our Ashok IT website and just they can click on the link, Zoom link, to attend the class now at 9. And if anybody wants to come to offline, then ask them to come to offline, whatever it is.
Sir, no, sir. This batch, sir.
You're talking about this batch?
Yes, sir.
This batch offline. I'm in Ashok IT now. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, 19th notes is not there.
19th notes. Huh?
Yes, sir.
No, 19th, I think it is there inside 18th document. Maybe in one of them only, I think I've given
Yeah.
the date and I've given the document.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes.
Both. But
I have not
18th
given 19th a separate document. In the 18th document only, 19th date is also there.
But it is
But
not there.
18th only 18 is there, sir. 19th is not there.
No, I mean to say in 18th document, if you open, I think you can able to see the 19th class notes also in the 18th document only.
No, sir. I just check it. It's only 18th class is there, not 19th.
Mhm.
Yes, sir. I'm also checking.
19th is not there. 19, 20, 21, 22.
I check with
No.
video. It's your continue same document, but you are not uploaded in 19th document in 18th.
Oh my God. Really? I'll check it. I'll see.
Even a 6th July document also is not there, sir.
6th July document is in some other system, not this system.
Okay,
So this is
6th and
18th
13th.
document I have with me.
Yeah.
This
In
is
that
date 18th.
19th also is there. Yes.
Okay. Abstract class and interface is a topic. This is 19th.
Yeah, it's not uploaded, sir. Can you
But this is
upload
not
it?
uploaded. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll upload it. Don't worry. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll upload it now. Don't worry. I'll upload with the name 19th July date. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sure. Yeah. Thank you guys. Bye.
Bye.